Hello kids, let's learn about sea animals. This is whale. Whale. This is starfish. Starfish. This is jellyfish. Jellyfish. This is shark. Shark. This is seahorse. Seahorse. This is fish. Fish. This is crocodile. Crocodile. This is penguin. Penguin. This is dolphin. Dolphin. This is crab. Crab. This is walrus. Walrus. This is sea turtle. Sea turtle. This is octopus. Octopus. So we have learned about sea animals today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.